Today I'm taking a look at the 21-volt brushless impact driver. There's a surprisingly thick manual for it and well-labeled instructions. That's nice. So it says that's good for 320 newton meters or 2832 inch-pounds. It is a 21-volt 2-amp-hour lithium-ion battery, good for 3200 RPM, brushless motor, and it charges at 100 to 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. This does come with two batteries. You can see those are both 2-amp-hour and 21 volts. It does have a clip-style lock, and I do appreciate seeing that each contact has two contacts on it. Looks like it comes with some nut drivers. Oh, that's nice. They're actually magnetic nut drivers. So if you need to grab a bolt and you need to feed that into somewhere that is a tight spot, you can actually do that. You only need to grab it with your fingers. We also have some drivers. We got flatheads, we got some Phillips, we got a couple of Torx, and we have a socket holder. This is our charger. So this is a 100 to 240 volts, and it outputs 1 amp at 21 volts. So that is a barrel connector that will just plug directly into the battery to charge it. And here is the impact. Very nice heavy thing. It does have a tether on it. We got a nice rubber grip on here. It does say brushless, which is great. It means that the battery is going to last longer, the motor is going to have more power, and it's not going to produce that smoke smell that you sometimes get with brushed motors. It is a pull style chuck. So you will need to pull that to drop in your bit, and then that will lock that in. Pull it back out again, and that will release the bit. Okay, so we do have 3 lights going all the way around it, so it'll make your life a lot easier if you need to work in a dark environment. And we do have a mode switch here on the bottom, so we got slow, medium, and fast. Very nice. And if we reverse, it does have a reverse brake. So that's great. What that means is that it will impact until it gets that bolt loose, and then it will stop. But we can turn that off, so we can just run in reverse if we want to. I made 4 new holes, not even damaged on that head. So if you're going to be driving a bunch of screws, impact really is the best thing for that, and this is an excellent impact at that.